As usual, like the other subjects, the syllabus of quantitative methods is divided into 5 units, and each unit has its own objective. As I already briefed you, that the entire purpose of this course is to make you well versed with the quantitative skills, right? Although majority of the tools and techniques which we are going to discuss with you, you already had an idea about it because you have learned it in your graduation or early classes. So the purpose is to upgrade your knowledge further. Like I just name you few topics, and I'm sure that you all are aware of these topics. For example, how many of you are aware of the word functions? A very important word in mathematics, functions. So we would tell you about the use of functions, mathematical functions I'm referring to. What are mathematical functions and how do we utilize these mathematical functions in business management? Similarly, we have a concept of linear programming. You might heard about this linear programming in your earlier classes. Similarly, we have a topic of transportation. Then we have a very interesting topic, we call it as PERT and CPM, that is critical path method and project evaluation method.
Sir, you're not audible.
Sir, you're not audible, sir.
Okay, now I'm audible to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So what I'm briefing you is the various tools and techniques which are divided in the 5 units. So you may please note it down. I will also share the soft copy of the topics which I'm going to cover. The first and the foremost topic, or I would call area, that I would like to clarify is the mathematical expressions which later takes the shape of a function. एक फंक्शन मैथमेटिकल फंक्शन क्या होता है, हाउ डू वी फॉर्म मैथमेटिकल फंक्शंस, and what is the use of these mathematical functions in business management, right? Like the concept of mathematical function is used in economics, for example, and we call it as cost function. Wali Saab will tell you about this cost function. Then we have profit functions, right? Similarly, the concept of function is a very common and the most useful concept that mathematics has given to the field of business management, right? So we would like to
Excuse me, sir.
yes, please.
Sir, some are waiting because you shared two different links, so they are not joining us.
Right, sir.
I'm just resolving the issue. Just wait. Actually, I'm telling you frankly that I'm not very comfortable with Google Meet because last, 1 year I'm taking the class on Zoom. So this is my first, you would call it as a trial to Google Meet, but still, no problem. But like, I just wanted to share my syllabus with all of you, but I'm just looking for the option on Google Meet. Where do I share it? So no problem. I will just look into this. Right? No problem. Okay, this is a short class. Don't worry. This is just an introductory class whereby I just wanted to brief you about the syllabus. So number 1 unit, you may please note it down, is about functions. Very soon I will tell you about the application of function. Number 2 unit is the concept of linear programming, which is nothing but it is the conversion of our real life practical problems into mathematical modeling. जो हमारी रियल लाइफ प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस की, लाइक ह्यूमन रिसोर्स प्रॉब्लम, मार्केटिंग प्रॉब्लम, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन प्रॉब्लम, how do we convert these problems into mathematical equations and find the solution? This is linear programming. So we would discuss about how do we convert our problem into mathematical expressions, and later on we will solve it out. This is linear programming. In this linear programming, we would specifically handle two types of problem. One problem we call it as transportation problem, and the other problem we call it as assignment problem. तो ये दो तरह की important problems हैं which we will discuss it: transportation and linear program and assignment problem. This is in linear programming. Unit number 3, as I already discussed, a very important area we call it as probability and its application. This is not a new term. Right from your class 10th, you are aware of the concept of probability, but here we are telling you, we are actually upgrading your skills in use of probability, especially probability distributions. So very, very interesting area, very practical area, probability and its application in business management. A very interesting fact that a probability, which is a hardcore concept of statistics and mathematics, and it has been widely used in business organizations. Number 4 is, as I have already discussed, it's about network analysis by CPM and PERT, that is critical path method, and project evaluation and review technique. So this is, we call it as network analysis, in which we try to find it out how do we handle projects, हम projects कैसे handle करते हैं और कैसे उसे timely complete करते हैं. So timely completion of projects by the application of mathematical analysis is a very important area. Last but not the least, we have some theoretical topics which we will discuss, right? So this is the syllabus. This time the challenge, as you all know, is that usually we would have 40 to 45 classes of quantitative methods. But this time, as you know, that we have a syllabus which is we have to cover it in a limited time period. So we have to, what we have to do is that we have to be regular in the class first of all, and I would also try to schedule my classes regularly and also extend the time period. We would share a material with you, PowerPoint presentation. The good point about quantitative method is that we have well-defined books, we have exercises, we have questions. The only thing is that you have to be regular in your classes. Okay. So today is just an introductory class. I will connect you tomorrow with some more detailed, discussion on this area of quantitative methods. One more thing, this subject will be shared by me and our senior teacher, Professor Jamal Farooqi. So we will divide the syllabus accordingly and we will take the class. And this subject is common for all the students. This is for MBA, MBIB, hospital administration, Islamic banking. Every student of MBA course is allowed to join.
Class over. I think sir left the class.
हो गया क्या?
चलो भाई खत्म करो फिर.
इतना ही था.
सब्जी लानी है.
3 मिनट पहले तो ज्वाइन हुए हम लोग.
हम ही लोग आपस में बात करते हैं फिर.
सब्जी लेने चले गए सर.
देना पड़ेगा.